हेलो गाइस। सो आज की वीडियो एक्चुअली है कि इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ मैटलैब और वी कैन से दैट गेटिंग स्टार्टेड विथ मैटलैब। सो ज़्यादा वीडियो लंबा ना करते हुए आज हम लोग सिर्फ देखेंगे कि मैटलैब होता क्या है, क्या वर्किंग है, क्यों यूज़ करते हैं। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो मैटलैब, जनरली मैटलैब का नाम वही सुनते हैं जो एमटेक या बीटेक या पीएचडी कर रहे होते हैं, क्योंकि आपका जितना भी प्रोजेक्ट वर्क होता है, जितना भी थेसिस वर्क होता है, सब कुछ रिलेटेड होता है मोस्टली मैटलैब, क्योंकि हम लोग प्रैक्टिकल वर्ल्ड से रिलेट नहीं कर सकते हैं। इसलिए ये एक सॉफ्टवेयर हम लोग को दिया गया है जिसके थ्रू हम लोग प्रैक्टिकल को थ्योरेटिकली वे में यहाँ पे ट्रीट करके अपना सारा कुछ हैंडल कर सकते हैं और उसको प्रूफ कर सकते हैं दुनिया को कि हाँ ऐसा किया जा सकता है, न्यू साइंटिफिक वर्क कर सकते हैं आप इसमें। दैट्स वाई मैटलैब वी यूज़. So what is a MATLAB? Is an integrated technical computing environment that combines numerical computation, advanced graphic visualization and high level programming languages. तो ये MATLAB है क्या? यहाँ पे यही बोल रहा है कि हम लोग हाई लेवल प्रोग्रामिंग जो कि C++ इस टाइप के चीज़ों को यूज़ ना करते हुए एक प्रोग्रामिंग अदर टाइप का एक लैंग्वेज है जो इन्हीं सभी चीज़ों से मिलकर बना है। लेकिन जनरली ये C++ और ये है नहीं, इन्हीं सब चीज़ों से बना है, लेकिन वो है नहीं, हाई लेवल प्रोग्रामिंग है। दूसरा इसमें एडवांस्ड ग्राफिक्स एंड विजुअलाइजेशन है। मींस आप जो भी प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में देखते हो, फॉर एग्जांपल ट्रांसफॉर्मर्स, फॉर एग्जांपल हाउ टू क्रिएट अ फॉल्ट फॉर generating units, like transmission line distribution, so you can create anything in it. So that's why it has been given that it is advanced graphic visualization. So combining all these things, graphics and everything, tools, there are various tools also given here to provide the different practical uses to be done in theoretical way. So this is what explains a MATLAB. So a MATLAB here tells that it has graphics divided into three parts: graphics, computation, external. So everything is like we combine every external interfaces like C++, Java to actually compute the external things into programming languages. Or then what we use computations, like we use various mathematical problems to solve up the question which is to be asked, which has been asked in practical life. So we can generally solve the ordinary differential equations here, linear algebraic equations here, and also there has been a function in MATLAB that we can create a graphical user interface, that is we can create graphically show our selves and to our teachers and to seniors that yes, this like we have created a transformer, we have created a DFIG system, something this like. So that uses the 3D graphics and color lighting, animation, everything. So this is how we start. Everything is done. This will be explained in the later sections of the video, like how to do if, how to do else, while loop. Everything is treated in the next videos, will be explained in the next videos. So this is how a MATLAB interface looks like. So this is what a practical MATLAB looks like. So we can see this is our home page, this is the plots, home, apps, everything is given here, like curve fitting you can do, optimization, PID tuning, everything is here. Whatever you want to use according to your project you can use. Editor, like you have written a program here, then you can run using this run. You can use a time window, everything is set. Go to file, compare, print you can do, save you can do, publish section, whether you can write in bold, italic, everything. So these are all the things which are given in MATLAB. And in the side we can actually if some project work has been completed by your senior and is given to you to actually see how it is done, then you can browse from here and actually click on your projects so that you can use it here directly without directly going to anywhere. So how this is done, for example, if you have to add you want to do a program, you cannot do simply in the command window. You have to open an editor, and there you use the new script. You can use script, you can use function, you can use class, you can figure, everything is, you can, depending upon you. For example, you want to write a program, so go to script, so another window will be open and you can write your program here. So this is the command window. Command window is generally used for commanding the things whatever you want to command here, like you want to clear everything, like you want to add anything you want. Also a workspace has been given here. See this workspace generally tells what are the data ones. That is, suppose we are using here t, we have written here t, so this t will be explained here. That's what is the t is a double of 1 into 20 201, 1 into 201 of a matrix, which is a double type. So every data here goes to here explaining things about the data type. This is the workspace I have explained. So it also, Matlab also gives a simulink function that you can simulate things that I've told. You can use your practical natural world, natural transformers into this theoretical one. So here you can add simulink. So it takes time, no problem. And also one thing, you can actually search for documents here. There are various documents, like if you search DFIG, and go for search, here it goes. You will be given with various programs and simulation work which have been already been given here, like this one you can see here. And you can also open the model here with using this. So our simulink have started. So this is the interface for a simulation. Any practical thing can be used here in a theoretical way. For example, if you want to use anything, like you want to open a source, then I'll show you. Okay, so commonly used blocks. So you can see there are various things, like you want to gain, add gain. You have, so anything can be searched here using your search option. So as I've told, also you can after the search one, you can search for source, like here source. So using source you can get like this pulse generator, ramp 1, sine 1, step 1, everything you get from a source. You can also get from sync here. Sync, what is this? It will always be taking, means it takes every input, like out, scope, everything is the taking one, that is the input one. Everyone will be taking the thing. Source is what it will give, it will be outing everything, like it is step 1, sine wave will be out, step will be out, ramp will be out, so depending upon things. So this is the function of a simulink library. So this one you can design any block here using your simulink library one, this one simulink library. And with simulink library you can design your circuit, and you can run using this for whatever time period using this time setting one. So let's go for our PPT. So this one all I have explained. So this one I also explained about workspace, that it can be a double one, cell structure, anything depending upon what is your data type, everything the symbol it gives. Take one for logical, AB for character, numeric one, cell one, structure one. Matlab can also operate the various mathematical and operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponential, everything. And it also operates the parenthesis one, exponential, multiplication, division, the various trigonometric, exponential, complex, discrete matrices. Everything can be formed like you can use sine function, cos function. You can find determinant, trace with the use of det. You can find determinant with the use of trace. You can find the rank also, inverse also, trace all the trace of a matrix. Factorial, you can do that. Exponential with using exp. So all this can be done using a MATLAB. Also various if you want to use infinity, inf, ij is for complex number, pi for pi, eps for the smallest difference between two numbers. So this is all, and these are the various keywords which you can also have seen in the C++ programming language, Java programming languages. Break, case, return, everything, switch, while, if else. These are the command which we will be seeing in writing in command window. Like you want to clear everything in the command window, like clear all, whose, who, like clear xyz. So everything is for command window. For next is how to create a matrix. So there can be a one dimensional matrix, there can be a vector matrix, row vector matrix, column vector matrix. There can also be a three dimensional matrix, two dimensional matrix. Okay, so for the matrix one, I think we should take another class, and I think I will be taking a next video lecture on how to create a matrix, row vector, anything two dimensional, three dimensional one. So for now, that's it. So thank you, and if you have any queries, you can ask me in comment. Thank you.